So good afternoon, Philippines. Jonathan Ruiz, your accounting coach, survival tips. So again, I would like to thank all of you for following my Instagram page at CPA Dreams and for like and sharing my FB page, accounting coach, survival tips at CPA Dreams. So maraming salamat. So now we're going to continue our video series for basic accounting or the ABM course. Again, if you have family and friends that you think that this video series will help, then please do share it with them or tag them or tell them that you have this coach that are sharing basic accounting and the foundation of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Okay, and I would like also to greet you a Happy New Year in advance, of course. Make your New Year celebration with your family, spend quality time with them. And then commit yourself that you are going to become a certified public accountant for year 2019. If you are already finished and taking your review, then have your wish list or New Year's resolution that you will commit to study and achieve your CPA dreams. Of course, if you are a high school student, then transitioning to college this year, then commit yourself to study more and search for which course really will help you in your brighter future. Okay, so now let's move on. So again, this is an accountancy, business and management specialized subject or ABM. No? So our agenda or our topic will be types of business according to activities. Our learning outcomes, okay, this will give you the definition of business of different businesses according to activities, and we will differentiate them from each other. You will be able to make a list of businesses in your community according to their business activities. So after this course, you will easily identify if it's a service business, merchandising, or manufacturing business. Okay, so types of business according to activities. Actually, there are three main types, which is service business, merchandising business, and manufacturing business. But some businesses can be a hybrid business. Okay, pero in accountancy, you focus on the three main types. Kung saan sila talaga, service business ba yan, merchandising, or manufacturing. Now, what is a service business? Service businesses, this is a business model that offers intangible value beyond the physical product. So meaning, they're intangible products, products with no physical form, service type firms. So for example, consulting firms, you are offering your expertise, advice, and other similar products. These are, most of these businesses actually, this is based on your expertise. No, sa yung personal skills mo. Like for example, you are doing as well bookkeeping on the side. So you're doing a bookkeeping service. So that's a service-based business. Actually, the economy at the moment is towards these types of service-based economy. Like for example, Grab, no, transportation. You don't have any physical product, but you are doing a service, correct? So that is a service-based business. Okay, some example, of course, sa transportation, nandiyan ka ng mga airlines, nandiyan din sa maliliit na community, we have the salon, repair shops, schools, banks, accounting firms, law firms. So those are the examples. Meaning, mainly, you are paid by your labor or by your time. So these are the type of business that I would say it can be easily formed actually, because this will be based on your expertise and skills. Next, merchandising business. This is a type of business that sometimes we call merchandisers. This is where the business buys product at a wholesale price, and then what they're gonna do is sell at the retail price. So meaning there is a markup. So the profit is through by selling the products at a prices higher than the purchase cost. So meaning you sell the products already purchased from a wholesaler and you resell them to your consumers. Okay, sample are Of course, these are very popular, no? Anywhere. If you go to supermarket, SM, so this could be accessories, clothes, snacks, candies, souvenirs. So all those physical goods na pwede mong i-transfer. Then manufacturing business is a business that buy raw materials or byproducts that you have an intention to convert them or assemble them to a finished goods. So meaning you combine raw materials, labor, factory overhead in its production process. Then the manufactured goods will be then sold to customers. Okay, so this type of business requires little higher capital compared to the two types of other businesses. Okay, so example of manufacturing business. So sample are textiles, clothing, those that you produce, that you combined the raw materials. So anything, pwede rin siyang food, longganisa business, pwede rin siyang you manufacture your own wine. Okay, so there are many types of manufacturing business. Clothes, accessories, jewelries, you can make it by yourself, then sell it. Okay. So now let's go on to the differentiation. So service business, as what we said, you sell your time, or this is called as the labor business. So you provide services to private and commercial clients, no? Like what we said, you can be selling your expertise through accounting firms, law firms, okay, physical therapy offices, pwede kang repair shop. And then yung merchandising business, again, there's a physical products. Compared to the service business, you don't have any physical products. They are intangible. So most common type of merchandise business, as we mentioned, department stores, grocery stores, dealerships. Then going to the manufacturing business, so this is, you are the one in charge of producing the physical goods. You combine the raw materials, labors, and factory overheads, and then you produce this product, you sell it to the wholesalers. Okay, so again, it involves production. These are more of a factory type. Okay, so thank you so much. So let's have a recap. Definition of types of business according to activities. We have service business, merchandising business, manufacturing business, and we differentiate them from each other. And of course, now you can easily identify what are the type of businesses in your communities. So again, thank you so much. Your accounting coach, survival tips, Jonathan Ruiz po. Please do like and share our FB page or follow me in my Instagram at CPA Dreams. So Happy New Year, and I'm wishing you a blessed year 2019. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.